appeal drew them in. Your stability, your humbleness, the way you're so grounded, practical, ambitious. You intrigue this individual. Your self-love is extremely attractive to this individual. You have so much depth. Your essence is of magic. This person finds you very emotionally intelligent, and they try to deny their emotions for you, and they may have tried to shut you out energetically or physically. But despite this, out of all the options that they have, you counseled every single person around. They couldn't stop thinking about you. Connecting with you has healed wounds within this individual. You have helped to transform this individual. This person feels a deep, potent connection with you. That is quite scary, but intriguing. They want to explore more. They find that connecting with you unravels layers of themselves that were left unchecked. They find healing within you. They feel like they can expose their inner, most darkest secrets, things that they've never shared with anyone except for you. You penetrate through this individual's soul. They feel like they can't lie, they can't hide from you. This connection's quite scary to this individual, but they can't keep away. It's addictive to this individual. You are addicting to this person. But they feel like they need to wait. This person could be a self-sabotager. They feel like if they wait, these feelings will go away. And when they are in that energy, and when they do try and reject, avoid, dismiss you or the connection, they feel overwhelmed with sadness. They try and downplay this sadness. They try and act as if the connection doesn't matter. But their soul yearns for you. They can't keep away from you. They feel like you are their match. They see you as equally ambitious as they are. They see you as someone that they can actually do this thing called life together. They feel as if you both can settle down, create a legacy, a home business. They feel like you can both make power moves together. You inspire this individual, they inspire you. But they feel like this connection will cause a lot of controversy. And that's why they try and shield themselves away from you. And they try and act cold and aloof and detached. But deep down, they are in love with you. But they flee away from you because the connection's too real, inexplainable. They're drawn to your eccentricness. They're drawn to your originality. They've never connected with anyone like you before. You are a friend. You are a confidant, a person that they can see themselves settling down with. All in one. And it's scary to this individual. This person doesn't know how to take to you or to the connection. They feel inadequate in some ways. So they close themselves off, denying the actual situation, denying their emotions. But they can't lie to themselves, though they may have abruptly walked away. Their soul yearns for you. And each time they try and walk away from you, it's like spirit intervenes. Then they get this urge to move towards you. And then they feel trapped in the mind about not being able to have anything to offer you. So they're trapped in a loop of, if I stay away, then I may lose an opportunity with a love that I didn't know could ever exist. But if I invite this love into my life, then it's going to upset people. And then I've got to face the critique. What do I do? Is what they feel. They feel like they need to wait for opportunity until the time's right for them to be your emperor. Because they do see a future with you. They don't want to make a move too prematurely. It's almost as if spirit is working with this person. Spirit is actually working with this individual, and they're actually choosing to listen. Because I feel like this connection has connected this person to their spiritual side. Even if they were in tune with spirit, they have developed a deeper connection to spirit through connecting with you. And they're working alongside with spirit in order to know when to make the right move. And they're being guided to level up, is what I'm hearing, mature, and be an energetic match. Yes, the love is there, but they still feel like they need to learn more in order to connect with you. They're trusting in spirit's timing to make the move towards you.